If you are building a clean, high-performance PC and you care just as much about airflow as you do about aesthetics, this one is going to catch your eye. You are watching Triplezon, and I have the Thermalright TL-M12Q on the bench. It promises strong cooling, smart cable management, and some seriously eye-catching lighting. Let us take a closer look. One of the first things that stood out to me about the Thermalright TL-M12Q is how it approaches cable management. If you have ever installed multiple case fans, you know the struggle. You end up with a jungle of cables running everywhere, especially when you are dealing with both power and RGB connections. What Thermalright does here is simplify that whole process by allowing a single cable per cluster. That means instead of routing separate lines for every fan, you can chain them together in a much cleaner way. In a real build, that translates to less time fighting with wires behind the motherboard tray and more flexibility when deciding where to mount your fans. At the core of the TL-M12Q is its S FDB bearing system. These bearings are designed to reduce vibration and keep noise levels down while maintaining consistent airflow. In actual use, that means when your system ramps up under load, like during gaming or heavy rendering, the fans increase speed smoothly without producing that annoying rattling or humming sound you sometimes get from lower quality bearings. Over time, durability matters too. Since SFDB bearings are built for longevity, you are less likely to deal with early wear or performance drop-off, which is important if you plan to keep your build running for years. Performance-wise, the fan uses a 4-pin PWM connector. That allows your motherboard to automatically adjust fan speed based on temperature, so when your system is idle, the fans can spin slower and stay quiet. The moment your CPU or GPU temperatures climb, the speed ramps up to push more air through the case. You do not have to manually tweak profiles unless you want to. It just adapts in real time, which makes everyday use seamless. Now, let us talk about the visuals, because this is where the TL-M12Q really separates itself. The dual-sided infinity mirror frame, combined with the front ARGB light rings, creates a layered lighting effect that looks deep and dynamic. When the fan is spinning, the light reflects in a way that gives almost a tunnel-like illusion. In a tempered glass case, especially with multiple fans installed as a cluster, the effect is bold without being overwhelming. It works great as a centerpiece in a showcase build. The integrated 4-pin power and serial ARGB connectors also make synchronization simple. You can connect directly to compatible motherboards and sync the lighting with the rest of your system. So if your RAM, motherboard, and GPU all support ARGB control, you can match colors and effects across the entire build without extra controllers cluttering things up. 1. Playfield. Overall, the TL-M12Q balances airflow performance, quiet operation, cable simplicity, and high-impact lighting in a way that feels purpose-built for modern enthusiast systems. The biggest win here is the simplified cable management. Using a single cable per fan cluster makes a huge difference when building or upgrading a system, especially in mid-tower cases where space is tight. The SDB bearings provide smooth, quiet operation, even when the fan ramps up under load, which is great for gaming or content creation setups that run for long hours. PWM control means you get automatic speed adjustment without constant tweaking, keeping noise low during light tasks. And visually, the dual-sided infinity mirror with ARGB lighting looks fantastic in a glass panel case. It adds depth and personality to your build without sacrificing cooling performance. If you are not into RGB lighting at all, a big part of what makes this fan special might feel unnecessary. Also, to fully enjoy the ARGB effects, You need a compatible motherboard. Otherwise, you may need additional hardware. While cable management is improved in clusters, single fan setups still require proper planning to keep everything tidy. It is also aimed more at enthusiasts, so ultra-budget builders might look for simpler options. If you are building a modern gaming PC with a tempered glass case and you want both strong airflow and standout visuals, this fan makes a lot of sense. It is ideal for enthusiasts who care about clean cable routing, and Syncra AB ARGB will also appreciate the lowest text ARGB smartwatch. Content creators and gamers who push their systems hard will also appreciate the reliable cooling and quiet performance over long sessions in order of unfair research. That is my take on the Thermalright TL-M12Q. If you are thinking about upgrading your case fans, check the purchase link down in the description. Thanks for watching Triplezon. If this helped you out, hit like, drop your questions in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe. I will catch you in the next one.